In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Smartsheet with Jira using Zapier. To get started, make sure you're already logged into both Smartsheet and Zapier in your browser. You'll also need access to your Jira Service Management account with permission to connect third-party apps. Once that's ready, open your Smartsheet task tracker. This is the sheet where you're managing your tasks or issues and where you want changes to sync with Jira. It helps if your Smartsheet has clear columns like summary, status, assignee, and due date, so that mapping to Jira fields later will be more straightforward. Now, switch over to Zapier. From your Zapier dashboard, look for the section labeled App Connections or My Apps. This is where we'll connect both Smartsheet and Jira, so Zapier can talk to each tool securely and in the background. In the App Connections area, find and click on the option to add a new connection. Zapier may show you a list of popular apps or a search bar. If you see another Add Connection button, go ahead and click that again. Sometimes Zapier surfaces multiple entry points to the same flow, so don't worry if it feels a bit repetitive. We're just moving closer to selecting the right app. Next, you'll see a list or a searchable drop-down of apps. Click into the search field and start typing Jira Service Management. When it appears in the list, select Jira Service Management. If you see it more than once, simply choose it again as prompted. This tells Zapier exactly which Jira product you're trying to integrate, since Jira has a few variations. After selecting Jira Service Management, click on Add Connection. Zapier will now open a new window or tab asking you to authorize access. This is the secure authorization page provided by Atlassian, the company behind Jira. Review the permissions Zapier is requesting. These usually include the ability to read and write issues so it can create or update tickets based on your Smartsheet activity. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click Accept to continue. Once authorization is complete, you'll be brought back to Zapier, where you should now see your Jira Service Management account listed among your connections. Select that account to confirm it as the one you want to use. At this point, your Jira Service Management instance is successfully connected in Zapier and ready to be used when you build your Zap between Smartsheet and Jira.